Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you the simple strategy, the support and resistance strategy. Okay, I'm trading on VIX 75 1s. Okay, yep. So simple strategy, just choose first of all 15-minute chart. It's a consolidation area. The price is moving like this. So 99, okay, 100% chances that it will go and retest this level again. Okay, so this is our support zone. I entered here. My stop loss is at the bottom and my target price. Okay, use smart risk management. Now I entered on 15-minute. Just there is if this is 50 moving average. Okay, like price this retest again. I entered here, then again retest here, and boom. Yes, this is the zone. Okay, and also on higher time frame, what's this showing? Yes, so this is a zone. Okay, let's draw simple trend. Okay, yeah, boom boom boom. Definitely my target is uh $10. Okay, like this, 0.1 lot. Okay, nearly yes, $10, and my stop loss is $4 something. Okay, so if I was wrong, I can lose $4. If I will gain, I will gain $10. 1 to 2 ratio. Simple. This is smart money management. Okay, just simple strategy, the support and resistance. You have to check where the major price is consolidating on which area, because Bollinger Bands suggesting me, it is going, it is gone so tight. Okay, so this is the consolidation area. It's not a breakout. If it give breakout, then it will be uptrend. If it will give me breakout from this trend line or and this Bollinger Band, this is a downtrend. Simple. This is the consolidation and it's a scalping. Okay, so this is simple, man. Trading is simple, don't make it complicated.